Discover the perfect blend of affordability, location, and lifestyle here at the Granary, Binyan City. This is Yun Bao, your property consultant here in Laguna. Just 10 minutes away from SLEX via Mamplasan exit with easy access to Pavilion Mall, Hospital, Universities, and Mall. Semi-complete homes from 3.2, flexible payment terms, low equity promo, pag-ibig, or bank financing. Make your home ownership achievable. This is the Amara model with 2-bedroom, lot area of 45 square meter and floor area of 43 square meter. Pero yung deliverable po natin is 48 square meter na po. So sa front, makikita nyo yung pasad natin. So very natural yung color with brown and off-white, then white. Then dito, sa pasad natin, we have our garage. So wherein kasya po dyan ang compact car or e-bike, motor, kasya po. Then dito, we have our entrance. So dito may space pa tayo. So nasa inyo po kung gusto nyo pong gayahin yung dito naglagay sila ng Carabao grass. Then upon entering guys, ayan, meron tayong isang steps dito o isang step. Ayan. So dito, yung ating door is made of wood. Again, yung door po natin is made of wood. Then we have here window po. So pasok po tayo. So upon entering, so ito po yung ating living area. So dito, ayan, dito sila naglagay ng TV. So very ideal for our bonding ng family during our watch time or Netflix time. So ayan po. Then on this area, so yung kabila po niyan is yung ating garage. So meron tayong malaking window, sliding window. So kung makikita nyo naman po, patay ang mga ilaw pero ang liwanag niya. Okay, so on this area, so dito makita natin yung door natin. So ayan po yung access to our parking area. Or if ever, pwede kayo maglagay dito ng kung gusto nyo gawing laundry area, so nasa inyo po yon. Then on this side, we have our dining area. So 4-seater set po yung nilagay po dito. Then dito, we have our, actually ito talaga yung ating space for laundry area. So ayan po. Then on the other side, so we have our kitchen. So upon turnover po, so ganito po yung marireceive po natin, naka-tiles, pero wala pong base cabinet. Then at the same time, ito po. Ayan. So nasa sa inyo na po kung paano nyo po siya i-design based on your personality. Then on this side, naglagay sila ng 2-door na refrigerator. So we're done on the first floor and I hope nagustuhan po nila. So ito, hindi siya ganong kalakihan, pero ang good thing is easy to manage and at the same time, first home buyer, so very ideal to sa'yo or starting family. So this unit is very ideal for you. Okay, so akit po tayo sa second floor. On our second floor, so before we go upstairs, so we have here our toilet and bath. So ayan, sa toilet and bath, so naka-tiles na po siya. Then we have our toilet and we have our lavatory. So akit po tayo sa second floor. So on the second floor, we have 2 bedrooms. So on the first bedroom, so we have this. So ideal for your kids. Ayan. Then we have our master's bedroom. So on your master's bedroom, so ito po yung makikita po natin. So yan, may corner window po tayo na napaka-elegant niyang tingnan. Okay, then dito po nilagay yung ating bed. Then on this side, sa likod ng pinto, ayan, masusurprise kayo dyan. So makita nyo po ay meron po tayong cabinet na nilagay dyan. So pwede nyo po siyang gayahin para to save more space dito sa master's bedroom po natin. Don't miss out. Contact us today to schedule a site tripping. Own your dream home at the Granary. Again, this is Yun Bao, your property consultant here in Laguna. Bye-bye!